life I go on with the driving. Where you say no, live up life. Live life, Mr. Foster. Don't get no flowers for nobody. You don't understand for my beaches. No time, me not even have clock. My woman them don't wear frocks. Me not have foot for dance. Me not even have hands, me only have shoulder. Come on. Watch the drive. Whoa! Them things say the car in an accident. Plug it in, Mr. Fanta, plug it in. We have to keep the vibe up. Boy! Move! The people them say, Lord God, they turn over. Do run! Don't look like you want a road trip, boy. You know, some have some people up at Gainesville. Where you come from? Seven River, where you come from? Where you come from? Where you come from? Seven River. Where the place name? Plantation. Where name? Plantation. I have a house up there, you know. So I'm going to check some food up there. You know, some have a house everywhere. Come on. Come on. Go on Jamaica, Radio. Welcome to Jamaica, coming South Spring. It's your boy, Mr. Foster, live life and listen to good music for a good speaker and a good life. So what, boy, hands in the air, everybody, road trip, boy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Mr. The car speaker, phone. You see on that phone? And new life, good life. No pub life, no show life, no push life. What you say? Come on. Aye. See?
Holding on to moments I never regret. Wanna forget the day we left. Wanna relive the day we met. Waking up in the morning but you ain't there. Reliving the moment is my main fare. We always wanted to be fantasy. It was a journey, but
what you say? What you say? Come on.
Full of life.
Full of life.
Living young. Remind me the days you were mine. Never forget the days we took to get wasted. Blushes all over your face. Never forget the days we made love in all the places that we could have ever dreamed. Broken memories, photos of when we were teens. Living out the best of dreams, viewing the best of scenes. Side by side, you were my bride. Broken memories reminded me the days you were mine. We living young, young and free, full of life. Living young. Remind me the days you were mine. Old images are breaking down these tears, but it's okay. The masterpiece you left inside my room will never fade. My eyes are sore from dealing with the fear of heavy pain. It's okay at the end of the day.
Gotta say congratulations to J-Com.
Just the younger days. Nothing was pushing us away.
He's rocking this one called Living Young.
Living young, young and free, full of life. Living young, remind me the days you were mine.
This is 94.5 FM.
And to enjoy free homework assistance through research queries or chat live with a librarian via WhatsApp, join your local library today. The time by the Jamaica Library Service. It's now time for Sports Blitz 4:30.
317-3658. That's 816-317-3658.
Sports Blitz, 2 minutes of the leading stories for the evening sports world on Radio Jamaica.
Good afternoon, I'm Christopher Scott and this is Sports Blitz. The Jamaican super welterweight boxer Joshua Hellraiser Fraser says he felt fully in control of his fight against Marco Jesus Cornejo at the Grand Canadian Casino and Resort in Toronto on Saturday. Record of Big 12 Brawl also recorded a decisive win. Sherfane Rutherford and Gudakesh Moti produced a record 9th wicket partnership to rescue the West Indies from embarrassment, but it wasn't enough as the Caribbean side went down by 5 wickets to Sri Lanka in their second one-day international in Palikele moments ago. Today, lead selector of the Jamaica Scorpions team, Delroy Morgan, believes the squad selected is good enough to challenge for the regional Super 50 Cup. Liverpool recorded a 1-0 win over Leipzig, while defending champions Manchester City had a statement 5-0 win over Slavia Prague in action from the UEFA Champions League today. And at sports time, Central High are currently leading Port Antonio High 3-0, while Dintil Technical are leading Dallas High 5-0 in action from the round of 32 in the Issa Da Costa. The details will be in Sports World at 6:45 p.m. I'm Christopher Scott. Good afternoon.
Sports Blitz, 2 minutes of the leading stories for the evening sports world on Radio Jamaica.
I just a lot of
Want to great rates for buying or selling foreign currency? JMNB Bank has you covered. Buy or sell FX at any JMNB Bank branch or online conveniently and securely. Visit jm.jmnb.com for rates and start getting the right rate right now with JMNB Bank and authorized
building new products and staying out of people way and staying on the lane.
You know, that middle staying on the lane, you know, go nowhere. If I don't be able to come do something, I don't deal with people, I don't call people,
But we still, like last night, I went to Akuda like 1, 2 in the morning and then we go a dead end like 4 a.m. and have my chair and I just sit down out there.
Hey, cuz, long time I don't see your mother. Long time I don't see your mother.
Put the phone through the window. Take the phone from the window. We put phone through the window with one people, you understand?
So,
so we go dead end beach more time.
Most morning we get up on the silver bar beach and we don't switch up. We don't have nobody to call to them.
Weekend Star and
we can't tell last me one.
pages to find out when you
Give me the pin name. Long time I get it.
76922-8000-213 or visit the ministry's website at www.mss.gov.jm. Advancing your family, developing Jamaica. A message from the Ministry of Labor and Social Security.
Put someone at the bank, go down, get some chicken and cook. Put the bottom of the thing, and take it to the beach. You see?
Please turn right again, so we know 2 left here.
So we should have quotes. Tell her so we have put up. I do? What I do?
Granted, you want me to park up this?
Police over there, sir.
No, man, once you park up this, you can't go in high park.
You know what?
You can't let me up on the ground. Oh, shit. Hello? Meet the right at court.
So what? Alright, so let me let you off.
Yeah, man.
So we chat.
Yeah, man.
Oh, the phones, right? Faster, your movements, you don't always fucking do this, you know. Yeah? You don't always do this. Whole heap of plans, you could have tell her easy the corner where me I come. But now no change, brother. I go up with, yo, brother.
Let me tell him,
Me was like, I want to deal with the thing myself, you know. Because I know that every time you come in my life, chaos. You say I'm going to do something, you do it and appeal promises and shit. So I feel like I should just do what I do. You see me? I have no change of $5 grand I have.
Alright, make you stay in front.
Yeah, I could do that. Alright? So we talk.
Yeah. Alright.
recording.